Okay, so now we're going to connect our DSMTOOL store to our eBay store, or our DSMTOOL account to our eBay store. There will be a different video to connect your Shopify store, but let's just start with eBay. So if you're interested in Shopify, then you need to check out the other video on Shopify. But basically, there's a video here on how to connect your eBay store. So just scroll down and click sync with eBay. And you're going to be prompted to log back into your eBay account because basically it's verifying that you are the guy. So basically eBay wants to be able to grant access to DSMTOOL so they can communicate back and forth. It's like a third-party account. You click agree and it's going to prompt you to ask you some other questions. Okay, so one of the questions it asks for is your PayPal setup. So basically what we're doing here is we are linking our PayPal now to DSMTOOL. So you want to just put in your PayPal address in this little box here, and then the break even, desired profit, we'll talk about that in another video. Just leave that the same by default, and then you're going to click next. I'm going to pause the video so you don't see my PayPal account, and then I'm going to click next. Finally, you come to step 4, and they just give you like a brief overview of some of the things you can do. You're going to go down here and click I agree, the terms and conditions. Make sure you read those and understand all the terms and conditions. You can just scroll down through here and read about it if you would like. And don't forget, anytime you're lost or confused and I don't answer your questions, you can come down here to their chat session and you can chat and start a new conversation with them and get them to answer some of your questions. Hopefully they answer them they're on the other side of the world, so they operate on a totally different time zone. So you know, if they don't respond right away like a United States chat, please don't get frustrated with it. You can also search articles. You can also ask me. But that is it for getting yourself set up with PayPal and your integration with your eBay account.
If you get any sort of an error or you have an account alert, you can come to this section on your dashboard. So you just click on dashboard. It's going to bring you here. Now what I did in purposefully to show you in case you get distracted or whatever, something happens, you don't consent to something, it says you are not connected to any target. So basically I'm not connected to eBay. So you would just come back to that message, you click on eBay or Shopify. Another way that you can get here is go to settings and it takes you to your general tab, and it's going to take you to where you need to do that sort of thing.